Good evening, War Hill students and families, and welcome to Business Management, a course for the future entrepreneurs. My name is William Stark, or simply Mr. Stark, and I'll be your teacher for this school year. A little bit about me first. I've been a business education teacher here at War Hill for 4 years now. I've also been assistant wrestling coach here for 6 years. On top of all that, I pretty much enjoy anything related to fitness, camping, and hanging out with my two standard poodles, Benny and Jet, who you guys will probably get a chance to meet, or at the very least hear in the background during a couple of our virtual lessons. Let's take a moment to discuss what this course is about. I used the phrase "for the future entrepreneurs" to describe this class, because this class is geared towards those of you who might be interested in pursuing a career in management, finance, human resources, accounting, marketing, or maybe starting up your own business. If you've got an itch to someday go out and earn an MBA degree and go change the world for the better, while also making a little money for yourself, then this is the course for you. This is considered a higher level business course that should build off of some of the concepts that you may have learned in the Principles of Business and Marketing class. It will also integrate some lessons and concepts that you may have previously learned or will learn in the future in economics and personal finance. You can also use this course as a prerequisite to get into some other high-level courses, such as business law or accounting. I will say this. As a higher level business education class, it will require a fair amount of reading on important topics such as leadership and management styles. You will also be expected to handle some basic math skills like calculating percentages when we get into those topics of financial management. The course itself is broken up into 4 different units: the environment of business, the art of marketing, human resources management, and financial management. With what remaining time we have in the course, we will also explore some careers in business and ways that you can market yourself in the future to build a successful career. Regarding my expectations of you, you'll be required to log into our virtual live lessons at least twice a week to participate in live instruction and receive directions. Additionally, you'll typically have 1 or 2 assignments per week to complete in our online learning platform, Instructure Canvas. If you have any technology issues or questions about the work that you have to do, it is on you to make sure you reach out to me, either via email, phone, Canvas Messenger, the Remind app, or during one of my Zoom help sessions. You guys have to learn to make sure you learn to help yourselves. As for me, you can expect that I will document attendance for live instruction each day, provide you with directions for completing assignments, and record all of our live lessons and post those recordings on Canvas every day by 4 p.m. Additionally, you can expect me to update your gradebook in Student View at least once per week, and send an announcement once per week with our weekly schedule and expectations. Finally, if I haven't heard from you in over 2 class periods, I'll probably reach out to you and your family just to make sure you're doing okay and staying on track. Well, that's all I have for you for now. If you have any questions for me about the course, please feel free to reach out via the email address listed below. I really look forward to getting to meet you all next week. Cheers!